Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video is about how to find a slope from a table. We're going to continue our learning from yesterday, okay? Just raise it up a little bit. So yesterday you saw nothing but vertical tables, which means up and down tables. But today you're going to see horizontal tables as well. But the ball game remains the same, okay? We have some boxes for you to, or blanks for you to fill in, and we're going to do that by calculating for slope. All right. Yesterday we learned that slope is the change in y over the change in x. So our change in y here from 1 to 3 would be what? 1 plus what makes 3? Hopefully you would tell me plus 2. And then our change in x here is plus 1, because that's how I get from 0 to 1. Therefore, my change in y over my change in x would be 2 over 1. And in general, this is a positive slope because our numbers are positive. Neither one of these are negative. If either one of these were negative, this would be a negative slope. So up here, we're going to say my slope is positive. That is our task for today, ladies and gents. You'll notice that sometimes you'll start with 0, 0. Other times you'll start like this, where it's 0 something else. Sometimes you're going to be given a situation where you're going to have to also label your x and your y. Now in the alphabet, x comes before y, so this would be our x, and this would be our y. Okay, make sure that's black. Boom. Alright, so then we follow our same rules. How do I get from 260 to 780? Now you'll notice today, though, that the number's a little bigger, so you might be forced to use your Desmos calculator, okay? So remember, our website is desmos.com. /desmos.com, and then you can click your graphing calculator, and when you do, it'll look like this. Alright, at the bottom you're going to click keypad, and now I can type in what the difference between my problems, or whatever it is that I need to find. In this case, I needed to find the difference between 780 and it was 260. Which is 520. So now I'm going to go back over to our main assignment and use that information accordingly. So to get from 260 to 780, I have to add 520. And over here, to get from 1 to 3, I have to add 2. So my slope would be 520 over 2. A little smaller. It all fits. Boom. There you go. So that is what we're doing today, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions, be sure to attend class, attend our Zoom, and we'll support you, okay? There should be a total of 11 slides, with the first one being a title slide, so you have 10 problems, okay? Good luck today, and we'll see you in class.